Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sri Vidya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, National College, Tiruchirappalli. Today we are going to see an introduction about grammar. Grammar can be defined as the study of language and the rules behind the correct use of language. When we take English grammar, normally the first chapter which is introduced in English grammar is the parts of speech. If you divide a sentence into single units, each unit will fall under any one category of these parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech which can be classified as or which can be divided as nouns, pronouns, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. When we take noun, any naming word is called as a noun. So basically, nouns are classified into 4 types: proper noun, common noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Proper noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. We can have the names of persons as example, names of places, names of rivers, names of books, all come under proper noun. A common noun is a word which is given to a general thing, like a student. A student may be a boy or a girl. A teacher can be a man or a woman. A child likewise can be a male child or a female child. So a word which is used in general is called as a common noun. A naming word which is used in general is called as a common noun. Collective noun are those words which are used to denote a group. For example, a class, an army, a herd, a fleet. All these words denote a group and that is called as collective noun. And finally, we have the abstract noun that speaks about the quality, or in other words, we can say like this: the nouns whose quality can be felt but which we cannot see, like gratitude, beautiful, kindness, anger, sorrow. All these words are abstract nouns. Then we have pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used in the place of a noun. So in a very big paragraph, we start with a noun, and instead of using the same word again and again, we use pronoun. And pronoun can be classified under 3 heads as first person pronoun I and we, second person pronoun is you, and third person pronoun is he, she, it and they. Then we have the adjective. Adjectives are the words that give some extra information about the noun or pronoun that is used in a sentence. For example, a beautiful big red flower. So in this sentence, flower is a noun. Here the words beautiful, big and red, all these words, they give some additional information about the noun, that is flower, how the flower is looking like. Then comes the 5th part of the parts of speech, that is the verb. Verb is a word that speaks about the action of the noun or pronoun. For example, the sentences we have: Ram writes a letter, she ate an apple. In the above sentences, the 2 words write and ate, it denotes the action of the noun. So, in other words, verbs can also be called as action words. So, verbs are classified as action verbs, modal verbs, and auxiliary verbs. Action verbs can again be classified into transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs are those words which have a direct object. For example, he found the treasure. What did he find? He found out the treasure. This is transitive verb. On the other hand, we have another sentence. He laughed at heartily. He laughed heartily. So here we don't have any object. So such verbs are intransitive verbs. And then we have the modal verbs, which are also called as the helping verbs. The third type of verbs or auxiliary verbs are also called as linking verbs. Then comes adverb. Adverbs are words that say something more about the verb, how the action takes place. Raji speaks English fluently. He started walking fast. So here we have the words fluently and fast to say about how the action took place. So those are called as adverbs. Then we have preposition. Preposition are the words that are placed before the nouns or pronouns in order to connect the noun, pronoun, or the phrase to other words within a sentence. They speak about the connection of words within a sentence. In the sentences, the cat is on the table. He swam across the river. The prepositions on and across are used to denote the connection between the nouns. And then we have conjunctions or the connecting words. We use conjunctions to join two sentences. He is poor, but he is happy. Work hard or you will fail. So the words but and or have been used to join two different sentences, forming them into a single sentence. And finally, we have interjection. They are the words which express our emotions. Hurrah, we won the match. Alas, he is dead. The words hurrah and alas are used to express our extreme happiness or extreme sorrow. So such words are called as interjection. So when we speak about the parts of speech, generally the above topics will be covered in the section which come under parts of speech. Thank you.